Hey everyone, it's Jack with RealDealCast. I really appreciate your time here today. Before we get into this, I'm going to stop you right now because we are going to be talking about something that could unlock a lot of potential in your business and yourself. However, some people, frankly, may not want to learn this about themselves. So here's your chance to abandon ship and move on to a different video. But if you're interested in what I'm talking about, stay right here and we'll dive right in on a very simple prompt that you can enter on ChatGPT and learn something about yourself that might be surprising. Well, if you're still here, you're probably at least curious enough to give this a try. So I'm going to share a prompt that originates from the CEO of Shopify. And that prompt is something that you can enter into ChatGPT right now and learn something about yourself, particularly the blind spot you may not be aware of. This type of strategy is very empowering because what you learn using this may take your real estate business to that very next level. You might have found that there's some barrier or ceiling that you're having a difficult time to break through, and this might be the information that unlocks that next stage. So go to ChatGPT and enter the following prompt. Tell me something incredibly special or unique you've noticed about me, but you think I haven't realized about myself yet. It doesn't have to be something positive, and you don't have to lie to me. Just be truthful. When you hit enter, it's going to give you something that is likely going to be surprising. And if I know I'm not going to share my results quite yet. And in fact, if I get after 100 subscribers, maybe I will share that information with everybody. And I say may, but leverage this prompt, see what it provides you. It may or may not give you a great answer depending on how much you use ChatGPT, but the more you use it, the more accurate this is likely going to get. Well, I really appreciate your time. This was really a great experiment for me. I did learn something new about myself that I'm probably going to have to make some serious changes or even think on it for a minute to try to determine how I can make use of this information in not only my business, but my real estate endeavors. So again, if you would like help leveraging AI, automation, maybe you just have some questions about real estate operations, hit me up. Head over to realdealcrew.com, schedule a free, no obligation strategy session. Happy to jump on a call with you and we can chat about a few things. But thanks again, and we'll see you next time.